Hey guys, the Tech Update team is back with a new video for you. We hope you enjoy and we can make your day a little bit better. So grab a snack and enjoy just a few minutes. You deserve it. Take it away, Billy, but save the best for last.
Slime Pro Series Flat Tire Repair Kit. According to the manufacturer, all you have to do is connect it to the wheel, press the button, and wait for about 6 minutes. The kit contains not only a powerful pump but also about 15 ounces of special sealant that can quickly seal punctures up to a 1/4 inch. It is non-toxic, and won't corrode tires or rims. For convenience, it is enclosed in a removable cartridge. The pump is encased in a removable cartridge. The manufacturer claims that once installed, the system provides sway protection, excellent curve handling, and even reduces tire wear. The thing is, the system helps distribute the load evenly between all 4 wheels, which is especially important for driving on curvy roads, causing the tires to wear more slowly and evenly. For now, the system is compatible with a limited number of vehicles. For example, there is a variety of vehicles that are compatible with the system. How many times have you gotten your clothing soiled by rubbing against your car? The inventors of this protective mat are so fed up with dirt on their pants and jackets that they started a Kickstarter campaign to raise funds for it. Because of its universal size, the mat fits a wide range of automobile types and weighs less than 3 pounds. It takes around a minute to install without using any tools. The mat is waterproof, fire resistant, and scratch resistant, and you may use it for auto maintenance or resting. The developers are so confident in their product that they provide a lifetime warranty. It's time to eat after inflating the tires, leveling the car, and protecting yourself from dirt. This mobile kitchen will enable you to consume not just sandwiches but also great dinners. Gordon Ramsay designed it. It takes 30 seconds to set up and comes with everything you need. A sink, there are 2 burners, a workstation, dish storage, and a 3.7-gallon small refrigerator. There's a place for a unique 2-pound gas tank in the water tank, which carries 2.5 gallons. According to the project's creators, the kitchen is compatible with practically all automobiles that have a tow hitch. There is a unique platform for installation, and the kitchen weighs just around 100 pounds with a full water tank. This step will make accessing the car roof much easier, allowing you to make repairs or load cargo. It is universal, suitable for almost all models, and allows you to stand on 2 feet. This model stands out for its unusual mounting option, which is fixed on the door latch. As a result, the step is compatible with both passenger cars and trucks. The step structure is built to withstand scratches and dents, and the angle may be adjusted. It weighs roughly 2 pounds. The design was inspired by eagles, according to the maker. Do you believe the mounting hook like a beak, the legs resemble claws, and the platform resembles wings? The safest, most affordable, and easiest to install bike carriers in the world, according to the Copper Mounts team. This stand mounts in less than 2 minutes and allows you to transport a bike weighing up to 45 pounds thanks to the vacuum locking system. The bike can be transported horizontally or vertically. The rack works in all weather conditions and is compatible with mountain bikes, road bikes, and other types of bikes. Traditional bike racks will soon be obsolete, according to the company, but transit necessitates removing the front wheel, so engineers still have work to do. Experts from the United States created this mobile shower. The most compact model holds 4 gallons and weighs 53 pounds when full. 2 holes are provided for draining and pumping water, and a built-in automatic valve lets you release excess pressure. It comes with 55 and 81-inch hoses, so it's convenient not only to shower but also to rinse fishing rods, bicycles and other items, and the universal SD. This cart will appeal not only to outdoor enthusiasts, but also to gardeners, landscapers, and farmers. It has an electric drive and can run for up to 5 hours on a single charge. It can haul loads up to 500 pounds across the toughest terrains, and the built-in headlights are useful for work in the dark. A cart for hunters and anglers, for example, has a camouflage painted platform and allows you to put the mounts for fishing rods. And all versions include a USB outlet for charging electronics. This is a car roof tent that you can set up in under a minute. The model is designed for 2 people and weighs about 125 pounds, making it one of the lightest tents of its kind. The roof has a window, and a special lining reduces the risk of condensation. Climbing into the tent is simple thanks to the handy telescopic ladder with sloping steps. The tent can be quickly dismantled and reassembled even if you're on your own, thanks to the universal mounting system, which allows you to install it on the roof of practically any automobile, even truck cabs. This strange device allows you to show different signals to motorists driving behind you. It may appear useless at first, but it all depends on how you use it. For example, by using the right images, you can inform the driver behind you that there is a problem at the crosswalk or indicate the inappropriate use of high beams. You can't add your own emoji, but the maker says the collection will grow with time. Would you buy one of these after roughly 20 days of use? The gadget is easy to mount, it's operated using an iOS or Android app, and it also supports Siri. If you want to feel like inspecting gadgets, use this device, which combines 18 functions at once. For example, it can be used as a portable starter, with enough power to start vehicles with a gasoline engine up to 1.5 gallons and a diesel engine up to 1 gallon. It also has an 8000 mAh portable battery. A thermometer and a compass. Additional important items are a window breaker, an emergency rope, a torch, and an emergency alarm. The case is so robust that you can even use it as a hammer. It's also weather and dirt resistant, and because to its small size, it fits in the glove box or cup holder. This package comes with 4 sensors and a monitor optimized for rapid installation on the windshield. The system was built for South Africa, so it is dust-proof as well. The monitor features a solar panel and can also be charged by USB connection. There are adjustable signals indicating if the pressure is too high or too low, as well as if the temperature limit has been exceeded. The information is shown as a diagram, and the measurement units may be altered. We should clean up inside the car after all of these upgrades, and this compact vacuum cleaner will make that task much easier. It runs for about 50 minutes on a single charge, and the removable brushes and built-in flashlight won't leave any dirt in hard-to-reach places. With a 2.2-inch diameter body, it's smaller than a thermos and lets you work with one hand. A sensor ensures effective cleaning by automatically increasing suction force when it comes into contact with debris. The container contains 2.3 ounces, and there is a dual filtering system. Customers are happy with the vacuum cleaner, and some use it not only in the vehicle but also at home.
Don't be scared guys, that was the video already. But if you want to see more, you can go check out our other videos. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like and a comment if you want to support the channel. We hope to see you guys back next time.